Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be updating you guys on my progress. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chennel and I'm on a program called BeBalanced. I've been doing it for a little over 3 weeks now, maybe 2.5 weeks. A total of like 17 days. I'm not really sure the exact dates, but within 14 days of being on this program, I have lost 10 pounds. So I do suffer from PCOS, so I was looking for a company or something that could help me sort of balance out my hormones. So I found BeBalanced, which I'll have all the information underneath this video with the intro video to this whole program. This is just an update, so if you guys are unfamiliar with what I'm talking about, I'll link everything down below and to my blog. So I've been doing this program for a little while now, and I'm down 10 pounds within like 14 days. I weighed in at 214 in the beginning, and now I am 204. I've been 204 for a couple of days now, so I have been consistently doing the program, following the guidelines and doing everything that I'm supposed to be doing. I just want to mention, in the first video they did point out to me that you are not supposed to be eating green beans, which I did make, so I have no longer been eating them since I was told I'm not supposed to have them. They're not on the list, but in my mind when I was food shopping, I just grabbed some just because that's like my normal thing to do. I love string beans, but we're not supposed to be eating them. So, and you're also not supposed to mix the vegetables, which I think at some point in the video I mixed some stuff together. Either way, you guys, I lost weight. So, I mean, it's best to follow the program how you should. I probably could have lost a little more weight if I followed it to the T, which you should. So I just want to point that out in case anyone is confused if you've been looking into the program. I also wanted to update you guys on how I've been feeling and just how this program has changed my life. So far, I will say there hasn't been any huge significant changes. I feel a bit better. I do have a little bit more energy, but I am tired all the time. But that I don't think has anything to do with this program. I think it's just me, because for years I worked an overnight shift and occasionally I still do. So my body is still adjusting to a normal schedule of being awake during the day, and that's why I'm sort of a night person. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you know that I'm up at night, like late at night, filming and doing things because I've always been up all night. So for me, I'm a little bit more tired during the day. I don't really wake up until about 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening, like physically. I feel myself, my body getting more energy later in the day. I think that's just because for 10 years, I worked an overnight shift, literally. So that could be why it's been hard for me to have a lot of energy or, you know, just adjust to this whole situation. My hormones do play a huge role in my weight gain as well as my sleep pattern. So it's really important, you guys. I want to bring in something that I did not talk about in the video before. So this is a dry brush. Basically, you just kind of brush your skin and it helps you brush upward, like towards your body, and it gets the blood flowing, everything circulating. It's really good to do like before you get in the shower. They did give me this and I forgot to mention it because this is really helpful. These dry brushes are really good for getting your blood circulating and everything. And then this they also gave me, which is like sort of a bean bag. You put it over your eyes and you do the 30-minute relaxation. You're supposed to do this literally every day while you're in the second phase, which honestly, you guys, the first couple of days I had to get used to doing it because I'm not used to just laying down and relaxing. So it was a little bit of an adjustment, but once you like kind of get it into your daily routine, if you have time, which you should try and make time to do it, you really do find this a lot more comforting, and it also helps with regulating your blood sugar and everything like that. So these two things are important when you get these in the pack. You definitely want to use them. Another thing I want to address is the MCT oil. Guys, I used this to cook with in the beginning of the program. I think I cooked my like ground turkey in it or something. So they did point out to me it's ineffective if heated. So it's probably not a good idea to cook with it if you want to like receive the benefits of it. You should just like put it in your food or something. Like you make a good salad dressing with it if you really want to get the full effect. So it's another thing I wanted to address that I was doing wrong. But all this is by trial and error, you guys. I am on this program for real, and I'm learning as I go along, as you know, how to stay on it and how to effectively lose the weight. Right now I'm in the weight loss phase still. I think my check-in date is the 14th of March or 13th, and I don't know if I go into the third phase or what. I have to look into that. I'm not really sure, but I just wanted to update you guys this week on my progress and what's been going on. I'm still eating the same dry, bland food. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it's boring, it's not fun. I mean, there are recipes, you know, that they give you that you can follow, but even then, like, you guys, I'm used to like seasoning and butter and all of that stuff. So if you are not used to eating super clean, I promise you the second phase is gonna be a little hard, but you can get through it. I've been getting through it. I mean, I eat pretty clean, but I do use a lot of butter and I use a lot of oils and stuff to cook with. So for me, it's been a little hard adjusting to that. I'm just giving y'all like the realness here. But overall, I actually really enjoy the program and I'm happy that I'm losing weight. For the longest time, I couldn't find anything that was truly effective with having PCOS. It was really hard for me to lose weight. So I have to say that I'm very happy, and I don't know if I could go through this again, like the second phase part, just because I love food. So I'm definitely going to have to just figure out a way to continue to lose weight without having to eat as clean as I've been eating. I still am going to eat clean, but this is just like one vegetable and one piece of meat, which is so hard. I've been sticking to it. This isn't the easiest thing to do, you guys, but I will say nothing worth having comes easy. So it's definitely going to be a work in progress. Just like if you were working out and trying to lose weight, you're definitely going to have to commit to it and dedicate yourself to this and really follow it to the T. The best advice I could give you guys is to measure out all your food before eating it. Like when you meal prepping is key, but when you do meal prep, just measure everything out so that you know you're getting the right portions, you're following the book. You know, specifically, BeBalanced is a hormone balancing center, and they help you balance out your hormones and lose weight. So if you guys are interested in anything that I talked about in this video, please leave your comments down below. There will be like information in the description bar on, you know, how to contact them. Anybody can join. You can become part of the center even if you don't live in Jersey. I will have all of the contact information underneath, and my blog post will have updates on it. I just wanted to get this video up to just update you guys because I promised you I would do weekly updates, and I missed last week, but I pretty much just put it all into one video. So again, at the end of this, you're gonna just see like some of the food I ate. Everything that I showed you, I pretty much meal prepped. That's why I didn't show you every day what I ate, because I meal prepped it out for the week and it was all the same thing. So that's all, guys. I love you. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. So here, guys, I'm weighing in at 204. Don't pay attention to my feet. I didn't have socks on. Here, I'm just eating some ground turkey and broccoli. It's pretty much my go-to. It's the easiest thing to make, and I actually like it. So that's why I keep making the same stuff. I have some grilled chicken here, and I also have some broccoli as well. So that's what I ate for the week, guys. Thanks for watching, and check out the info under this video.